Welcome back to the Lifetime channel. Today we'll be doing a review on EmbracePlay slime kit. So let's get to it.
Snowflake.
It has different colors of beads, pink, blue, and purple.
What is this?
Different things you can add to the slime. Unicorns, sea turtles,
Look at this.
gold beads.
What's black?
Two things of glitter and gold and silver. 6 clear glue containers. Glow in the dark package. Got 4 different colors I've seen, like yellow, purple, pink, and green. A big spoon, a little spoon. 3 containers of baking soda. Fruit scent.
What's fruit scent?
Just you can smell it, can't you? Clay. And blue glitter.
I always wanted clay.
Some plastic bags. 2 measuring containers. Pink and blue stir sticks. Gold powder as well as green metallic powder. As well as purple powder. Galaxy, unicorn, fluffy, mermaid, snow, glitter, clear, glow in the dark, scented, foam balls.
Can we use all of them?
You do one at a time. What color do you want to start with? Galaxy.
Galaxy.
Now, I do recommend this kit just simply because for my 6-year-old's first time making or even playing with slime, he was able to make it. It was quite easy. The instructions are quite detailed and step by step. I also do really like this kit simply because there's no borax in it. There's no harsh chemicals. It's basically items that you probably even have currently in your house. So I like that for his first time using slime, that there was nothing that was going to potentially hurt him or anything that I had to worry about.
So overall, slime kit gives a thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. It comes with lots of different things, lots of different ways to make it your own as well. And definitely recommend purchasing this. And the description for this will be in the box below through Amazon. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more reviews or more of our videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.